Hello. So you guys, today I am here at this beautiful open house. I'm going to show you. Actually, you can get the view of walking in to your new home. We'll start from the beginning. You're walking in. This is your lovely home. So the floors are delicious. These beautiful floors. There's a bathroom right here, right off the main space. Super cute. There's me. Hey. So we have this super cute bathroom. Beautiful living space. Gorgeous lighting. Lots of windows. Super airy. And then we walk this way. Lovely. Cute. Love the colors kitchen. Beautiful finishes. The stove. How wonderful is that? Nice hookup here. And then we have this great garage. Lots of room for storage. Later, I'll take you guys on an upstairs tour, but hopefully you can come join me and see it yourself. Lovely little neighborhood here. It's a beautiful day. What else have you got to do? Come meet me here at my open house.